It's one of my favorite snacks that you can get here in China. It's called Jian Bing. And you start, first of all, with the dough and everything. And later you'll add an egg. Well, you know what? I'll just let the video go and you watch. Egg, salt. I know there are a lot of people watching me because I'm filming. Okay. Some green onions. Yummy. Dry peppers. So it's done. Pop it up. Add a little sesame sauce with a few other things in it. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but it's pretty yummy. Had some little crispy thingies. I don't know what exactly those are. They're awesome. Some lettuce, and then that's it. That's all. Very, very, very good snack. I love it. Alright. Fold it over, cut it in half. Put it in a bag and eat it. Oh, 谢谢。